Okay, so this is a steering column off of a 2012 Kia Soul. This one stopped working while I was driving. It just shut off, and then the light for your power steering just went on, and I just drove home without power steering. I don't know what the deal is. It's either the motor or the control module. Took it off and got another one from a junkyard for $100. And it even has the key assembly, the ignition assembly attached to it. It was a little rusty. I figured I'd clean it up and stick it in. But then I feel like, okay, well, what do I do with these headless bolts that are meant to, I guess, protect you from something, even though, I mean, if you're walking around wanting to swap these, you could just have this thing in your pocket and then plug the shit in next to it. So I don't understand. Somebody could explain that. I don't know if it actually connects to something inside there, so you can't just connect something else to get the wiring. It must, because that way you can't turn it. Yeah, but then I realized, even further, what's the point of that when you can just slide these things off? So if you take a few bolts off and you get the, why is it zoomed in? Are you kidding? Let me see if I can get a tripod. Okay, so what's the point on having these security bolts if I can just do this? And swap the fucking things out. Put the one that I have a key for on the old one. Done. Headless bolts, you're a waste of time. Okay, I'll put this one on my old one. And snap it back down. Boom. What's the point of the headless bolt? Security theater?